The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 133. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court, in appeals from High Courts, in regard to civil matters. 1. An appeal shall lie to the Supreme Court, from any judgment, decree, or final order, in a civil proceeding of a High Court, in the territory of India, if the High Court certifies under Article 134A, that the case involves a substantial question, of law, of general importance. And, b. That in the opinion of the High Court, the said question needs to be decided by the Supreme Court. 2. Notwithstanding anything in Article 132, any party appealing to the Supreme Court under Clause 1 may urge, as one of the grounds, in such appeal that a substantial question of law, as to the interpretation of this Constitution, has been wrongly decided. 3. Notwithstanding anything in this article, no appeal shall, unless Parliament by law otherwise provides, lie to the Supreme Court from the judgment, decree or final order of one judge of a High Court.